to this video, I'm going to share about the three components of DigiLifestyle business system. I'll show you how exactly I have structured it for myself. The first component of this digital lifestyle business system is your website or your blog. The first and foremost thing that you need to have is to create your own website, or you should have your own blog. Let me show you the example over here, how I have created my website. This is my website. You can just have a look at this. Okay, so this is my website. I've created in such a way where people can like to know more about me. They can go through, see what type of courses I have, what type of webinars I run, and many more things. Very soon I'll be including my blogs and podcasts also in this. Just have a look at this. Then the second component of the DigiLifestyle business system is you should have a members area. See, website is for the people to come and see who you are, and they need to get to know more about you. Members area is when they become your customer, when they buy your products, maybe for a couple of free courses also. They should get into my members area. I'll show you the example of my members area, how exactly I have created my members area. You're already part of this, so you know how exactly this looks. This is my members area where you will see there are multiple courses. There will be few free courses over here, but most of my courses are the paid courses. They are part of the bundle, the packages, and the level of membership that they buy from me. Okay, so this is my members hub. The third component of the DigiLifestyle business system is your private network or community. Many people build their community private network on Facebook in the form of Facebook groups, but I have my own personal community. Okay, I'll show you. It's not on Facebook. Let me show you. Once you become my paid student, once you become my paid customer, there you get into my this social network. Okay, this is a private network where Facebook doesn't have any other control over this. Many times it happens, people have their Facebook groups. For some or the other reason, Facebook may ban that group. Facebook may close down that group. So I don't want to be dependent, and that is the reason I have created my own hub, my own private network. So you can have a look at this. This is my private network where there will be many topics being added over here. If you need any help, you can just type in your question over here. There will be many people like you who have already gone through the course. They may answer your questions, or even I will answer your questions over here. So this is the Freedom Entrepreneurs Hub. This is a members hub that I have created for my members, for my paid members actually. So these are the three components that are very important, ingredient of your digital lifestyle business.